Alimony in New York we call maintenance, and there's a couple of different kinds. There's the amount paid during the pendency of the divorce, and there's the amount paid after divorce. So there's a formula in our state for divorce, and it's based on what people earned and how long they've been married. How long they've been married results in how long they will receive maintenance, and it provides a range that the court will decide or you will resolve. The person earning more money must pay maintenance up to the first $228,000 of their income. If the recipient spouse earns close to the same amount, there's not going to be any payment of maintenance. But when there's a big gap between those two incomes, maintenance will be paid both during the action and after. Important note, the person paying maintenance, will get a credit for maintenance being paid during the action as well. What factors affect the payment of maintenance? Maintenance in New York is based on a formula. It must be paid up to the first $228,000 of income for the person who makes more money compared to what the person making less income is making. If they are close in income, there's not going to be maintenance paid. The question comes is, what factors are at play? Did they live a very extravagant lifestyle? Did they travel over the world? Did they have servants? The kids have their own horses, those kind of things. If the parties lived a conservative lifestyle, the court would be unlikely to go over that cap. But times will always change, and that's up to the individual judge. Can you modify your alimony after divorce? That is a tough one. You have a huge standard to bear. If your maintenance is resolved by settlement, you're going to have a very, very, very tough time to change. The standard is very, very, very high. If it's resolved after trial, there are very, very few factors that would allow you to go back and change maintenance. It is possible, but it's an extreme long shot. Is alimony common? It is. Again, it's just based on the disparity in income. If there's a big gap, then maintenance is going to be paid, and it's going to be paid for a number of months. That is in direct correlation with how many months the parties were married. If you have questions about maintenance or alimony and you're in New York, call us at the Sklavos Law Group.